that'll be a video for us, a separate video than this one. But for sure, what is going to happen, we're just gonna go ahead and install this modification right away. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are simply going to, oh my gosh, this car's so small. We're going to fix those doors right there. You see that right here, this ugly looking part. All right guys, so what we're going to be doing is fixing. I got the part right here. So this part, you could find it on Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below where I got it from. And we're simply going to be replacing this because at the same time, from in here, look how ugly it is. So it started peeling. Then you get that whole sticky stuff going on. It's just really nasty, all in all. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this off. This is already off from a previous job that I did on it. So I'm not going to go into detail of how to remove this. But once you take off the screws, it has one right here. And then let's pop this off. Hold on. All right, so then once you're here, it has another screw in there. You can see that. So it's those two. Once those two are off, you can simply just take it off like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and then that way I can get this piece of the door off. Okay, now you just kind of work your way this way, and this should come right off. So we open this up, and this is what comes included with the kit. 4 little bolts, and those are the 4 little bolts that are going to go in that place instead of this. It's just going to be a simple bolt. And now these things you will have to, I guess, break them. All right guys, so oh jeez. All right, so for this part you're going to drill these out, and then of course use a small one, a small drill bit piece. This one is a 764. So real carefully, you know, we're gonna drill it. This is all you have to do, just kind of with a drill, and go ahead and kind of drill this out, and you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and do that. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is just simply break this instead. And there you have it. Now, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it from here to the back. What you do is just push it from the back. And honestly, I don't know why BMW would do such a thing. They should have just made it a simple screw on, screw off type of mechanism, but it's not. You have to break them. So like for instance, down here, that's where the other parts are. And so what I'm going to simply do is basically this. Check it out. So let's get under this. Start chipping away. I'm gonna put the screw in here like this, and just remember to use your start point and start tightening this. Just like that. Don't over tighten it because then it's gonna mess up. And this is a T20 that you're gonna be using for this. So just make sure you tighten them snug. It's not like you know, you're trying to over tighten this thing. You don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and put this one in. And there you go. You have a finished product here. Now, what we do. Now, what you do in order to hook this back up, all you got to do is this. What I like to do is open up the handle. What you're trying to latch is this thing. See that little crossbar I got into this. Push this in like this down like that, and then you should get a working handle. See that? You're good to go. So let's go ahead and put this back. Now all you have to do is get your locking mechanism, put it right through here. This is the tricky part. You just kind of start lining this up here first. So you hear it snap like that. Okay. Now, bottom. You just start pressing all the little tabs in, and now you're good to go. Now, next is I'm gonna use my Shield Pro ratchet. And we're gonna go ahead and put these screws back in. And let's go ahead and start tightening these up. All right, so that's pretty snug. And there you have it. Check it out. Brand new. Now all you need to do is just get your old one and snap it right on. Oh yeah, and how can I forget? We need to put the trim back on. This one's pretty simple. This big curved end goes on the front, and the little pointier end goes towards the back. So once you get this in, snap it on there, and you're good to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Comment down below what else you guys would like to see. We did this door. We're probably going to do the other door for another video, but that'll be some other time. You know, there's a lot of videos coming up, guys, so stay tuned for that. Sorry for the mess that I have in here. But, yeah. So, if you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It'll really help out the channel, guys. And I'll leave the description down below for all my tools that I use, everything that I used to install this new door handle. Now we have a working door handle. My kids are going to love this because they hated it when it was broken. So anyways, guys, thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you on the next one.